How to download and play GTA San Andreas on your PC. So everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily download GTA San Andreas on your PC. Let's get right into it without any further ado. So the first thing you need to do is open up your web browser, and here you're going to search for GTA San Andreas. And once you do that, hit enter. Now you will see this official Rockstar Games info. Go ahead and open up this website, and you will see this big buy now button on the left side of your screen, or you can find it on the top right corner. You just have to click on it. But before we go any further, make sure to head down below to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So as you can see, the game right now costs 23 or let's say $24, which is 60% off, and it is a good deal, and the sales also end on 2 days. So go ahead and click on buy now. And all you have to do now is sign in with your Rockstar Games email and password. Once you have done that, you can select your PC as your device and simply purchase the game. And that's how you easily download GTA San Andreas on your PC. I hope you found this helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.